This video shows how you can write in different languages in Google Sheet or any other Google product. So let us say you want to write in, say, other language apart from English. Then what you can do is you can go here and then click on other languages. So I have set these languages over here, but if you want to write in other languages that are available in across the world, you can set the language and then write in that language. I'm gonna tell you later on like how you can set these languages, but before that let me write in this Marathi language. So I'm just gonna select this Marathi, and over here you can see that it is writing in Marathi. So this is the Marathi language. Mi shikwat आहे means I am teaching. So this is actually possible, and you can write in your own language like Spain, German, whatever language is there, you can write in that language. So how you can do that is by going here in the input tools. So right now you can see that only few languages are displayed there, but let us say you want to write in other languages like German, Spain. Then what you can do is you have to go to the myaccount.google.com, or you can also click on your profile picture in Google browser and then click on my account. Then you will be taken to this URL myaccount.google.com, and over there in the account preferences you will see this language and input tools. Click on that, and over there you can in the input tools you can choose the languages that you want to add in your account. There are different input tools over there, and you can see here I have added this Marathi language, and similarly if you want to add different languages, click on that add language link, and then here you can search for the other languages like Spain or German, whatever language is there you can add that. Once you do that, what happens is that it will appear in that drop down in that Google Sheet. So I'm just gonna select that, and here you can see that this German language is added over there. Like that you can select the things that you want. Once that is done, you are set to go. So once you come back to sheet videos over there, you will see now there will be German language as well. So for that I need to refresh this spreadsheet, and similarly you can do in other Google products like Google Docs, Google Slides, etc. So it is refreshed now, and then now let us click on that, and you can see that this German keyboard is available now. So you can just select that and write in that particular language. That's how you can write in different languages in Google products or Google Sheets, Slides, etc. Thanks for watching this video.